Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Build a B-1 Bomber. Guess what showed up today? My new F-16. And we're going to open it up right here live on YouTube in the shop. Now, this is the gray camo 6 cal F-16. I got the missiles and everything on it. And the invoice said missiles. So this is my luck, people. This is how this went. This has been almost 2 weeks shipping. Since it had missiles written on the box, it had customs wouldn't let it clear. And they's calling me and everything, and it's been a wild ride. But it made it. We're going to open it up right here on YouTube. And now, I had this pretty much pre-built. So one reason they did it really cheap. This is Jet Legends, and they put it together for almost nothing. The landing gear should be installed, all tubed. The gear doors installed, and the air cylinders installed, and that's about it. But everything's pretty much installed and ready to go. They even put the servos in it. They said, told me if I'd buy the servos, they'd put them in for free. And I checked on the prices. They told me what they was going to use. And it's about the same money as I can get the servos for. So I had them done too. And so, man, it shouldn't take long to get in the air. And it won't take me off the bomber project very long. So, let's open this thing up. This is almost like Christmas. But I ordered this through Camlex, people, and they got an ad on RC Universe on their F-16. I mean the F-4. That's how I found out about it. And I called them up, and they were just super nice people, but they can get a lot of stuff. And they gave me a really good price on these. And it was nice working with them. It really was. There's one of the hard points. Man, that's a pretty nice setup. Look at that. And that looks good. Alright. Instructions. You don't even get that with them other brands anymore. You gotta look them up on the computer. Now I tell you what I'll do. Once this video gets posted, I will go in there and put a link to Camlex. There's all the fins. Another hard point missile. Just more missiles. Let's get to the good stuff. I figured the wings would be in this box. This box is just missiles. There's the drop tank for the bottom. That's just fiberglass. This is not a functional tank. More missiles. Here's a big one. Wow. Remember, there must be them wing fuel tanks. Wow, them look good though. Impressive. Okay. We know what's in there. All them missiles. This is what had a hard time clearing customs. They need to put something else on that pack, on the purchase order, like a ordnance set or something like that. Okay, let's get that out of the way. right here. Here we go. Put my stickers out of there. Oh, look at that. Put that right there. I like to save these bubble wraps for just hauling it. Oh, look at that, another rolled set of plants. That is nice. I had a couple of them other brands, Jets. Actually, I've seen several. Put several together for buddies. Not one of them had a set of plants. Get on that computer and download plans you need. Packing list. Here we go. This is the front of the fuselage right here. Well, this is just like Christmas, guys. Christmas in the shop. You know, my birthday was last week. Well, actually, a couple weeks ago. Kind of a late birthday present to myself. Ooh, doggy. Look at this. Wow. You guys see that? That is impressive. Wow, that looks good. Right. People, this is a nice looking jet. Silicone. Wow, look at that. That's nice. Alignment pins, or no, them are the bolts to screw it on. That's nice work. Wow. Ejection seat. Shoot, that don't look bad right there, guys. I got a cockpit coming for it too. But man, that looks good. They told me it had kind of a cockpit, but this is wood. And you can see the wood grain in it. And it's, you know, for the what comes with the jet though, that looks pretty good. Tape out of here. This is the bottom of the nose. people. Wow. Wow, look at that. Oh my. It should just lift up. Let me get that figured out. We don't want to force it. Look at that. There's all the bolts. The bolts are together. This is quality stuff, people. Look at that nose gear. Wow. I'm impressed. Tanks, nice fittings on the tanks. The plastic. I like that fitting. I like this air fitting up here too. And you get every drop of fuel in there. And nice. You know, I made a movie yesterday. I made that movie for everybody out there. Showed you what I was doing to the bomber. And, man, I'm having fits with my internet server. And I can't get it downloaded. So I'm going to head over to Dad's and have him, have Sandy do this for us. Hatch. As soon as we get this bad boy unpacked. Canopy. Man, look at that, people. That is nice. That is nice stuff. Fits like a glove. Look at that. Wow, that just fit like a glove. Bam. As I would say. Okay, let's keep digging. Uh-oh. Here is the main part. They did a nice packing job on this. Oh, no. Wow, nice. You know, I can't wait to see his landing gear. Just put this over. Air tank, air system, duct work. Wow. Just see if we can't make this gear move one way or the other. Oh, there's too many. Let's see. All these are disconnected. Well, I'll just have to show them to you from there. Hold on a sec here. Look at them landing gear. Whew. Painted. You know, them other guys' stuff ain't painted either. What do you think? What you have to do is... Oh, I see. They got them wired up. Okay. It's a good idea. Keep them from flopping around. Oh, they're being shipped. There we go. Wow. Look at them. Got the brakes hooked up. Everything's hooked up. Nice tires, wheels. Wow. What do you think, people? I'm impressed. I am impressed. Wow, they sure do a nice job. I gotta get my stuff like that. Look at that. That's incredible. Okay, we got a couple wings left. There's a wing. That's nice. Look at that. That is nice quality stuff right there. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Okay. Well, people, that's about it. Not much. Stabs. Oh, nice. A nice groove cut in there. Just like to connect them. That's nice. Everything came pretty nice, so one thing I noticed, no servos installed. Okay, not a one. And I'll call Monica and see what's up with that. But there it is, people. I got a big old drawer full of servos over there. That's no big deal. I was just hoping to have that done and out of the way. And we'll get it straightened out. But as far as the airplane, whew, it's awesome. How can you expect anything better? Yeah, this is boiled down too. Bam! Look at that. That is just awesome. Look at that. That's craftsmanship right there at its finest. Have a good look at that. Wow. Well, people, this is a pretty awesome jet, and I'm really excited about it. I know I just took a couple weeks off the bomber, but we're going to have to spend a few days and get this done. It won't be long. It won't take long at all. A couple days. Wham! I got a drawer full of servos over there, and plenty of extension cords, even though I paid for them. But Monica and Cam likes to get this straightened out. I promise you, they're really good people to deal with. And I'm going to put their name and number up in the upper right hand corner, and they can get you anything you need. I got one of them boxes coming from them that work the gear doors and the brakes, and it'll be awesome too. But this is Jet Legend, their big F-16, and we got it unpacked. I'm gonna get this thing bolted together, sitting on wheels. I'll make a movie this afternoon and we'll go over everything again. But right now I'm gonna run this camera over Dad's and we're gonna get this uploaded. So we'll see y'all later. I'll be back in shop in a little bit, and we'll get busy. We'll see you guys in the shop.